In this video, I'll be showing you how to access your most frequently visited websites using shortcuts, also known as GoLinks. GoLinks is a popular name for short links that are easy to type, easy to remember, and easy to share. They are used by some of the most successful teams in the world. Here's a document that I use a lot. I have the link saved as a shortcut in TextPlace. If I go to my browser and I type TB followed by a space, this brings up TextPlace where I can type my shortcut .faq, and when I press enter, TextPlace loads my document right away. Now you're probably wondering, why not just keep the tab open? Here's why. Of course, I could also bookmark the page, but those tend to get out of hand pretty quickly. Using a TextPlace shortcut allows me to access the document quickly without cluttering my browser. Here's how you can do that. Go to your document link and copy it into your clipboard. In your TextPlace dashboard, click on the plus button to create a new snippet. Paste your link in the contents of the snippet and create a shortcut that is easy to type and easy to remember. You can also give it a label. All the changes you make in your snippet are saved automatically. To use it, just go to your browser, type TB followed by a space, and then type your shortcut followed by enter, and TextPlace will instantly load the link. Now that alone is already gonna save you a ton of time, but it gets better. You can share your link shortcuts with the rest of your team. To do this, just click on the share folder button in your dashboard. Choose the people with whom you want to share your folder and click the share button. You can also share the folder with entire teams. Now here's a pro tip for you. Some apps such as Gmail allow you to modify the URL and get a specific outcome. For instance, with this snippet, I can insert the recipient's name and email, and TextPlace adds those to my custom URL for Gmail. When I insert the snippet using this URL, Gmail automatically fills in the email and recipient name as specified in the URL. This is great for when you're sending the same email over and over again with just a few differences.